Reverend Father Elmer G. Sumile, RN-EDD. Let us give him a warm round of applause.
Good morning to each and everyone. Assalamualaikum, Buntag, buenos dias to everyone. So we are very happy that you are all here. First, that I would really congratulate the school year 2024-2025 parents, whether in the officers or parent of so many children. Thank you and congratulations. Palakpakan po natin sila po. Bawat isa. Thank you, thank you. I'll try to make it very short. Remind me, 5 minutes. MC, 5 minutes, remind me. Okay, we must long before we bloom. I'll start with that pedagogy since 2020 or at the start of the COVID pandemic. Maslow hierarchy of needs. So basic physiological need up until self-actualization. And as we address those physiological and Maslow's need, we also really embody as an educational institution, Marian Diocesan Institution, we apply a learning pedagogy, and that is Blooms. So what is Bloom? So I will not lecture, but just to remind where we are supposed to be. And the highest of that Bloom's taxonomy is creativity, not anymore evaluation, but creativity. So we must long before we bloom. I am Father Elmer. It's my 3rd year. So remembering, I will use and apply it. I am the eldest of 5. My mother is a public school teacher, retired. My father was a public school teacher, only for 5 years, but worked in a lumber company sa Sambul. 4 brothers and a sister. Lahat na po nakatapos, lahat na po may pamilya, sila na ako. I have my family, Kaigas, the Calarian family, and your children, my adopted sons and daughters. So, Blooms. Now, I'm a hard-headed patient. I grew up in the seminary with a disease, thyrotoxic hypokalemic periodic paralysis, 2001. So since then, I did not drink any carbonated drinks. 2010, 9 years or 10 years after, I went into radioactive iodine therapy, Sebudok. From there, I learned and I was encouraged or reminded na patients with or after radiation therapy, radioactive iodine therapy would always hypertension and obesity. That's why the doctors really reminded me to exercise, balanced life. That's the thing, bro. Remembering yun, trying to see. And I'm applying basic Bloom's taxonomy to creatively live my life, strengthen my life, or lengthen my life with what I'm doing, what I'm saying. Not only by profession, I'm a nurse, but I've been accompanying priests, bishops in the diocese. And I am director of Commission on Healthcare for the Archdiocese. So hindi layo on how we are taking care. I'm not dragging the story, but we are trying to embrace nurturing individuals and human beings, your sons and daughters, apos, on the very basic, Maslow, their needs. That's why it's important to remember that as a Catholic private institution, we have our vision mission, very obvious yung core values. So I hope that should be discussed first more than any projects that you ought to donate. Meron nga sa Facebook ngayon, marami. The scenario of PTA, mag-donate siya ng tunnel. Ganda yun, no? Pwede, underground tunnel galing sa bahay ninyo, subway. I'll be very happy. But nonetheless, start from the vision mission of the Archdiocese. We are under the Archdiocese. And we have our renewed vision mission, hindi pa na-promulgate. And from there, dun sana ma-master natin. And we have areas to address. And gathering here with the GPTA is very one crucial area, goal. We did a strategic planning last June 5, 6, and 7 for the diocesan school, hoping that we have one vision, one mission, and we will try to really address in synodality. So very, very grateful that we, one concrete, yesterday, don't feel bad that we gathered those children who are under no belief or religion in Islam, and then nonetheless to organize and to try to listen, empower them to be leaders, mga future imams, pastors. Ganon din ang sa amin, in-organize din namin. And after that, we gather them together. On the learning process, blooms pa rin creatively that this institution, may Safe Space Act, that will be an opportunity for us to grow. So that's why when you go to your individual classroom, sorry po yung mga may pitong anak, so i-text nyo lang yung advisor na you share that information po. So we'll try to, kasi yung iba 5, 4, so may yung sa kinder, sa elementary, mahirap daw ihati yung sarili niya. But we will try to make a one-time, big-time gathering. So basic talaga na the learners must have the values and discipline. Your values and the values of the school. Mercy, Maria. And you have been hearing, stay always right. One line. I am repeating it again and again. I'm not making them robot. We are not robot, but basic comprehension of positive growth mindset, where they should supposed to be. The classroom is not sala and dumping site. The canteen is where they are supposed to eat. Parents' lounge, student center, not the classroom. So don't complain. Walang trash can. Classroom must be free from anything, lamok, any or what. Useless yung mag-aircon, nandyan ang basura, tapos ang bata magtapon yung basura. That's basic. Why? Cleanliness is next to godliness. So maybe it will really be a way for us to grow if we will really stay always right. And the right is the policies of the school. Wala pang handbook kasi nga yung mission under promulgation pa. But I am hoping that we would really don't complain na hindi pinapapasok yung soft drinks or what. We will really listen to one another. Fast food and all what. For those who are doctors, I believe you know why, you know how, you know what I'm trying to impose to really grow productively. So we must grow before we bloom. Stay always right. And the sign language, as a leader, you follow. It's not really demanding and command, but signaling immaculate cleanliness, signaling God Allah as our way and of direction. So may you grow together. When I started 2022 600, 2 years ago, 700. Yes, yesterday, last year, 847. Growing pa tayo, 890 plus, so baka hanggang 900 pa, hanggang 900. So meaning to say, maraming bata, we are growing parents, growing ang tao inside. So safety and security and all of those concerns, marami. Now that's why we need you. We need your voices, we need your suggestions, we need to listen to each other. Kung nahihiya, write those things in paper. Submit to teacher. May PTC, 1 week, 2 weeks before exam. Doon kayo. Doon nyo. You can also do online, malayo, mahirap. Please, there are many ways to communicate. Thank you for reminding. So again, I pray for everyone that you be productive. I'm in hurry din kasi my invitation from UC College of Dentistry, second batch of graduates magpe-prayer doon. That's why remind me kay 10 o'clock yung graduation ceremony nila. So, thank you. I hope and pray na more and more will facilitate. We have our Immaculata Concepcion FB page. We have our ICAS de Calarian page and the FB account, Immaculata. If and when there is a need na not to post a picture of your sons and daughters because of some legal issues of as the ownership of the children or what, remind us. Baka we might be overwhelmed using social media to advertise at the detriment of the security of your students. So please remind us. So again, congratulations to all. And we try to make it more peaceful when we do gather together. Salam, kalinaw, pass. And I believe that this is an opportunity to listen to another. Again, in Cashans, together we say, Christ, through Mary, knowledge, power, and love for all. I hope you also parents do that for us. Let's embody, that's important, embodying the image of this institution. Thank you. And sa Muslim, Isa, in Mariam, knowledge, power, and love for all.
Thank you for thoughtful words and leadership, Father Elmer. To conclude